back in service. This is how we make them hurt. This is how we're gonna get them in the end. I come up with this master plan. Come up with this master plan. The cone song, sink in my sandbox. The cone got the plan locked. Come chill with me, we'll tell you that story. Come like this, yeah, you can't ignore me. I got this like this, you heard this before. Yeah, if I the one's back at it again. Come go with this fucking lip slapping. Whole time with the gets rapping. Back to the day, English. Star Spangled Banner comes like this with another hammer from Thor. Thor from Asgard, it's out to stand on guard. I'll go Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Hey there motherfucker, everybody's blessed to be in this circuitry world that we come to try to fucking be a part of. I like this and tear us apart. We're from the dark side, this dark side. Now come on fucker, this is where we start. Start to finish, the time to motherfucker, this is not a cheap gimmick. This is coming like this, we in it to win it. Push it to the limit, every motherfucker's I gotta give it 110%. Cause this is why we living it up like Freddie D. Back with Limp Bizkit, come like this motherfucker Floyd Mayweather. Back in awkward, box left here. They come like this, try to be the best that I can. Try to move this Morse code. And every motherfucker try to take the sound back to the fortune style. I can't be on the best, this is how I get my message state to unravel. It's time to be the best, I got my paddle. I come to motherfucker get the best that I can be. And all that I can be in the world that we got to try to understand. Cause I'll be given another chance, and a chance after chance after chance. See the time to advance. The whole opposition's fucking trying to stand back laughing at us, but we have them in the end, motherfuckers, that's a fucking guarantee. The stars try couldn't spare nothing from me. And this motherfucker try to beg for mercy. And like they try to hurt me. But every motherfucker stand on guard for a D. Every time they try to beat me, they try to beat me, but they can't even fucking see the true essence to the core. They try to be like me, try to be like me before. But they don't know what it's like to be fucking poor. They fucking down in the gutter, they trucking fresh on the wild style. They came from the fucking their own life. Their own life is time spent, time well spent, time well fucking wasted. Whatever you going, time can't motherfucking mace it. Can't erase it, it's time to motherfucking chase it. Try to be a fucking paper chaser. That's why we got the whole world coming up. And that's why we got the one time start loving it up and living it up. And one style, two combo, with a flex combo, and a San Lorenzo. This is a motherfucking gong show. And I come like this, try to be the best that I can. Every motherfucker just doesn't understand. And now we're at the end of the track. And the comp stand back, wait for the next track. And I will make this the best record that I can. Redeem all the words that I said. Redeem, that's motherfucker one way to be. And I'll see y'all motherfuckers later.